So I'm going to show you how to add languages to the Samsung keyboard of your Galaxy A27. So if you go into settings, on the main settings page, scroll down to general management, tap on that, and then go to your current keyboard. So that's, for me, is Samsung keyboard settings. So under Samsung keyboard, you have languages and types. If you tap on that, you can see the current language is English UK. You can tap on manage input languages and you can go enabling other languages that you might want on your keyboard. Now there are plenty of languages. I can add Afrikaans. Some of these need to be downloaded, so you can go and download them. Anyway, once you have some languages enabled, they should be in this list. And now on the Samsung keyboard, you can switch language by using this globe icon. So that's gonna switch between the different languages, and you can see which language is here. You can see currently it's English US. If I tap there, it's Afrikaans. I tap there again, it's English UK. That's basically how you switch between the languages. Now, if you long press, you can see all the languages on your keyboard. Thanks for watching, and good luck.